Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable curl in cPanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. So first of all, open your cPanel and then click on File Manager. Then open public HTML and here search for php.ini. If you can't find this file, click on Settings and make sure Show Hidden Files are enabled, then click on Save. And after that, if you are still not getting the php.ini file, then you have to create a new file with the name php.ini. So I'm clicking on File and I'm giving the file name php.ini. Create new file. So here's the file. Select this and click on Edit, and now we need to paste a code here to enable curl in cPanel. So I'm pasting the code here and you can find this code in video description. And after pasting the code here, save changes, and the code has been successfully saved. So this is how we can enable curl in cPanel. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to unmin it. Thanks for watching this video.